Hey everyone, it's Luke here. Today I'm reacting to J-Hope's music video for Airplane. It's from his recently dropped mixtape, or Hixtape should I say, and I haven't really checked it all out yet. I did see his music video for Daydream, and I'm sorry I didn't react to it, but I was just really busy. The timing was kind of off, but I'm here. I didn't want to, skip him or anything. J-Hope is really hardworking, talented, and honestly a pretty underrated member of BTS, and I'm glad that he's getting his time to shine. So I'm gonna be checking it out. Without further ado, let's go. I did kind of skim through some of his mixtape. It's really nice. I don't really know what this song is gonna be like, but already feeling super chill and vibey. It's just so nice to see him get his own videos, like and I can tell that this is like what he wants to do, It fits him, it suits him very naturally. I like how kind of artsy but not too over the top the video is. He's got a very smooth flow and delivery with his rap. Ooh. I'm reading the subtitles as I like that savage line right there. He's living that mile high life. It's got a nice backbeat to it too, You just kind of want to be like sorry, I have no swag. That was nice. I can see someone just kind of blasting that out on a nice summer day, rolling down the street. You know what I mean? You can just tell that J-Hope puts feeling into everything that he does, and it comes from a genuine, passionate place. I've always admired that about him. I like watching his Hope on the Street type of dance videos. As someone who always wanted to dance, it's kind of just cool to see him living out his dream, and I'm really happy he finally got to drop his mixtape because I feel like I heard about it almost 2 years ago. It was probably a year ago, but I was getting worried it wasn't actually going to happen, and to see it come to fruition, to reality, is really nice. And yeah, like I said, I just think he's really underrated, deserves his time to shine, and I'm glad he got it. I hope that you guys are gonna hype it up if you want to hype it up, or you're just gonna enjoy it. I wasn't really sure if I was gonna be making any videos related to the mixtape because I'm not really a mixtape kind of person. I don't like to force myself to react to things that I don't usually listen to, but I just, you know, I appreciate J-Hope. He delivers. I did really like Daydream. I haven't really properly listened to it, but I felt like I had spoiled myself too much to film a reaction. So I'm gonna definitely try to listen to the mixtape in its entirety. And yeah, I really like to hear your thoughts about it in the comments down below. I recently created a poll asking you guys what kind of videos you wanted to see from me, and you mostly said that you wanted to see reactions. So I'm gonna put more emphasis on that. I'm gonna put more energy and try to motivate myself to like stay on track and keep in the loop more often. I really appreciate the continued support, and yeah, as always, thank you so much for watching. Stay awkward, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!